Good morning, everyone. I want to first of all thanks Scott Pintel and entire LSI team for putting this great event. Everyone can understand that's not an easy task to pull out this event. So I'm here for different reasons. Some of you guys are here, investor community to invest in companies, all the CEOs. I'm here for a different reason. I'm here to share my experiences what I have learned. Especially in artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science, specifically to the medtech device or medical device industries. So these are some of our flagship offering. So we heavily focus on healthcare AI, ML and data science along with custom software, web applications. If I talk about the medtech industry specifically, we provide the custom medtech software. So we are a ISO 9001 certified company. We have an expert team, all full-time in-house, who understands the HIPAA and different FDA compliances to make sure that product gets commercialized on time. So I want to share the secret formula in AI, ML and data science because this is very unique. This is new to the medtech industry. Not a lot of people are familiar. So here, whoever is from the investor community, I want to share my thoughts, my learnings, and maybe that can help you make a better decision and choose the right companies. Of course, when you're looking for companies, you're looking to make sure they have a great engineers, programmers, developers full-time, or they have established a partnership with the companies like us to make sure they have the best team to execute the vision and product. But along with that, you want to make sure that they have a team who understands the HIPAA really well and FDA compliance. Again, that is very critical to commercialize the product, and that's the key for success. So that's my message to the investor community here today. And overall in AI, ML and data science, what we have learned is to make a really good success in AI, ML and data science, you need to have a small elite team. All needs to be A-level talent. This is not something an engineer sitting behind the desk wearing hoodie and doing the programming. It's not gonna work. AI, ML and data science is all about collaboration. So you have to make sure it's a small team and super collaborative team. That is going to be a successful formula if you are trying to build a product or a company around AI, ML and data science. So this is the prescription of success, I call it, and this is what I have learned while working with a lot of different medtech startups and also Fortune 500 companies. So I want to share one success story, a real life example, how it has really worked out, whatever I just told, for Kevin Unger. Right now he is a VP and GM at Zimmer Biomet for MIS and sports medicine. So before he became a vice president and general manager at Zimmer, he was running his startup Incisive. He was trying to build an integrated smart operating room, right? And he had a artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science in building it. But he's a very visionary guy. He's a seasoned executive, worked with the multiple Fortune 500 companies like Stryker and different companies. So he had a proper exit strategy from day one. He knew how much R&D needs to be done, what are the R&D areas he needs to perform. So what he did really smart, he partnered up with the different companies rather than hiring bunch of full-time employees, and then he partnered up with the different companies for different R&Ds. And he was looking for advice around how much to invest in R&D and compliance, and DAS technology helped him throughout the process. Not just that, when Zimmer Biomet approached him and tried to acquire his company, we helped him through the entire audit process. We made sure the code quality is there, which is up to the mark for Fortune 500 company, and we wanted to make sure that whole process was successful because, as I mentioned earlier, small and agile team who is ready to adapt and who is ready to make changes as per the vision.